Hey, this is Don with D.R.C. coming at you with a video to replace your roller, your center drive roller for your lawnmower. This is a California trimmer. This roller here is new. I've already replaced it. I'm just going to go through the steps to take it off. For starters, I have one of these. This is just a 10-pound dumbbell, and so what it does, it holds it straight and steady so it doesn't roll all over the place, so it makes for a good jack stand for your lawnmower. So let's go ahead and let's get this thing going. First thing we'll do is we're going to lift the lawnmower here. We're going to put it up on the jack stands. I take off the master link here holding up the chain lift for this center drive wheel. And first thing, set it on the ground. This can be a bit of a pain. Let's move it up and out of the way. And we're gonna go ahead and put it up on our jack stands now. Have yourself a magnetic tray ready to go. And now you can see, you have plenty of room. You wanna drop it all the way down as far as it'll go in order to take off the springs underneath. In this view right here, you can see we have our center wheel drive chain. We have our axle U-bolts, and we're going to be taking this bolt here, which is a pivot bolt for our lifting arm. This is the hardest part to put on and take off. It can be a bit of a bear. And then in the back, you can see back in here, we have our spring. And the reason why we put it up on our jack stand, which is our dumbbells, is to loosen up that spring like that so we can get to it and take it off without having it under stress. See, if you have it up like this, that spring's up pretty tight. So we bring it down like that. Easier to take off from the top with a long pair of needle nose. And the other side, you can't get to it from the top. So you want to lift this until it's loose. Now that we have the springs off, this is loose. Let's take off our drive wheel chain. When parking your lawnmower to start to remove your chain, take note of where your chain link is at and have it in a spot like up here where you're able to access it. Because a lot of times you park your lawnmower and the link will be down below here where you can't get to it. So have the chain link up here on top so you're able to access it and take it apart. And not on the sprocket, because the chain link won't come apart because it hits the tire. So you want to have it out here in the open where you can work with it. And this here is number 40 chain. This is for a 25-inch. You know, if you're going to replace the chain, you might as well go ahead and replace all your chains. Just buy a whole roll, and that'll take care of all your chains on one lawnmower, and you'll have a little bit left over. So our next bolt we're going to take out is the pivot bolt, which is this bolt right here. And this bolt is very difficult to work with, whether you're putting it on or taking it off, because it's in a tight spot. You don't have very much room to put your fingers on, and there's a spacer inside here that you need to verify that you have it in your hand, because sometimes that thing falls out and it rolls away and gets in the crack of the concrete, or it just gets lost. So make sure you save that spacer inside there. So these are the three parts that will come off of that. You have your spacer, your bolt, and your washer. And the spacer fits right inside here. So that way when you tighten your bolt, this stays loose and it can still rotate. And the same goes for the other side. Okay, now we have it unbolted. Let's go ahead and take it to the workbench.